Today we have prepared soy wax, digital scale, saw meter, and a 2-liter measuring cup. And let's see how much wax it will be able to melt, and also the time it will be needing to heat it up. Now let's check out the ToAuto 1.5 wax melting pot. And this is cable. It is 1.5 meter long, so it will be able to help you to place this lovely melting pot at every place of you. This color is green, avocado green, so it will matching your studio color so much. The needle here is transparent color. That means you can always check the melting status of your wax. When you want to have to pour the wax, it has this very sturdy handle here. It's very easy to hold. Here inside, it was the non-stick coating, and it is scratching proof. This is a knob. It has 3 gears. So the start point here is the on and off gear. Then we have 2 different gears for different powers. Let's go to the first one. So the first one here is 300 watts. The second one is 415 watts. The higher the watts, that means the time you will use to heat the wax is shorter. It will be faster, more efficient. And then if with this lower watt, the time will be a bit longer. Now we are going to use this 1.5 wax melting pot. First of all, we have this cable connected. So see the plug here. Next, we are going to figure out how long it takes to melt 1 kilogram of soy wax. Here we have 1016 soy wax. Now we're going to put this soy wax into the melting pot. Turn it on directly to the biggest gear, which is 450 watts. The 1 kilogram wax is totally its liquid status. Let's see, it takes around 28 minutes to completely melt. And let's see the surface temperature of this wax. It's 200 F.